gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video we're going to be doing a beautiful, a beautiful glam, just smoky, beautiful look. And we're going to be using this palette right here, and this is Hourglass. Look how cute is this palette. I just actually got this palette. My husband surprised me and bought this for Christmas. So I said, why not use this eyeshadow on my tutorials today? But look how beautiful is the browns, the glitter, and black. I think I'm going to be using the black for like a black wing liner. And look how cute is this. This is a glitter eyeshadow foil, and this is gorgeous. So we're probably going to be playing with this also in our eyelids. The look what I'm going for is going to be like a glam nighttime look. And I love the packaging. It's super small, like you could just throw it in your purse and you can just go on vacation and not have so much eyeshadows to do, because this is overall like a eyeshadow that you can use every single day. So I'm excited to try this out. I already primed my eyelids and I did my face off camera just for the purpose of the video, so we can just begin with this eye tutorial. Let's begin. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this color right here, and that's that brown color, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush just like this. But this little compact palette is so cute. It's so small. I love it. And it has a cute little mirror. I know this palette must be a little bit old. This is Vista. Yeah, eyeshadow palette Vista. It's cute, from Hourglass. So he did a good job just picking out a cute little palette. So we're going to use the brown and we're just going to place it in our crease area. This is nice. This is super pigmented. I love it. Look how beautiful is that. Place that. And then do the other eye. I'm also excited to try the foil. I heard great things about that. I'm excited to try it out and see how it looks on the eyelid. Alright, so far the brown looks pretty good and the pigmentation looks amazing. I'm loving that. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm just going to place this green color. And I'm going to place that green color all over the lid. So like, we're going to pack it all over the lid. This is like an army green. That's beautiful. This is like a beautiful nighttime look. Super easy. If you guys don't know how to put makeup on, just have a little palette like this. It's easy to just grab and go, and you don't have to be a professional to put eyeshadow. So if you want the green to be a little more intense, just grab that green color and just pat it down and don't blend. Green is cute because it feels like it has a little golden specks on it. It's cute. Use this just to clean out my makeup brush, just so I can put that brown color again. Intensify that brown. Just put it on the lid. So I'm going to grab like a angle flat brush like this and grab that black and just try to do like a wing liner. something like this just to angle the wing. And if you want, you can use tape, but because I already did my foundation, I rather use this. And the black liner is not too dramatic because it's powder, so it looks good. I'm gonna put a little bit of brown all over. Just like that. Now I'm going to be using the glitter eyeshadow foil. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to use a flat brush like this, and I'm just going to place that right here in the inner corner. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Get the mirror. You can probably use your finger with this. This bring out the look. That is beautiful, that foil. So gorgeous. This is like a golden color. Look how gorgeous that looks. I'm loving it. I'm gonna do the other eye. Like, look how creamy is that. Super creamy. I'm gonna use this brush right here, and I'm just gonna bring out that green again in the outer corner and blend it with the foil. It's giving me goddess vibes. So beautiful. Now I'm going to use that black and use that angle brush again and just intensify that black a little bit more. All right, I'm like loving this color right here. It's like a champagne color. I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'm going to grab a smaller brush. I'm going to grab this brush right here, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner and see how that looks. I should spray it. I'm going to spray with my setting spray. Put that in the inner corner just to see how that looks. Oh yes, that's beautiful. That looks gorgeous. I love that. I'm going to be using a flat brush like this, and I'm going to place that brown color right here. Now I'm going to be using underneath my waterline. I'm going to be using Scandal Eyes, and this is from Rimmel, and this is in Nude. And I'm going to place that nude color on my waterline, and the reason why is because this will open up my eyes. The lighter it is will open up my eyes. I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'll be right back just to finish up the face. Alright guys, I'm back, so we're going to finish up the face. I'm going to do my lid. I'm going to be using these two combos right here. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil. It's like a brownish pinkish color. And I'm going to be using Luxe, and this is Ingenude. Place this now. Beautiful, beautiful color. I'm loving it. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and if you guys enjoyed this eye tutorial and me using the Hourglass palette, then please give me a big thumbs up, please comment, like, and until my next video, bye bye.